Question number 6. Mr. Gupta opened a recurring deposit account in a bank. He deposited rupees 2500 per month for 2 years. At the time of maturity, he got rupees 67,500. Find the total interest earned by Mr. Gupta, the rate of interest per annum. Amount deposited by Mr. Gupta. P is equal to 2500 rupees per month for 2 years. N is equal to 2 years, 2 into 12, which implies N is equal to 24 months. And at the time of maturity, is equal to rupees 67,500. Interest is equal to P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 multiplied by R upon 100. And rate of interest we find. Rate of interest is equal to R. Interest is equal to P is 2500 into N is 24 into N plus 1 is 24 plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R upon 100. And 0, 0. 2 zeros cancel. 12 2s are 24 and 12 1s are 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Which implies interest is equal to 25 into 25 into R. 25 into 25 R implies by interest is equal to 25 multiplied by 25 is equal to 625. 25 multiplied by 25 is 625 and interest is 625 R. And we find the rate of interest also. Maturity is equal to rupees 67500 and matured value is equal to P into N plus interest is equal to 67500. Which implies P into N 2500 into 24 plus interest is 625 R, that is equal to 67500, and we are multiplying 25 into 24, 2500 into 24, 00 as it is, and 25 into 24, that is equal to 600, and this is 60,000. 60,000 plus 625R is equal to 67,500, and shifting right side we get 625R is equal to 67500 minus 60,000. 67500 minus 60,000, 0057 implies 625R is equal to 7500 and R is equal to 7500 upon 625, which is divisible by 25. 25 25s are 625, and 25 3s are 75, and 00. 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 0. 5 1s are 5, 12 5s are 60. So rate of interest is equal to 12%. And total interest earned by Mr. Gupta. Total interest earned by Mr. Gupta is equal to P into R into T upon 100. P is 2500, rate of interest is 12%, and time is 2 years. That is equal to 25 into 24, 7500. Answer. And rate of interest equal to 12%. Amount deposited by Mr. Gupta is 2500 rupees, and N is equal to 2 into 12, that is equal to 24 months. Time period N is equal to 24 months, and maturity given is equal to 67,500 rupees, and interest is equal to P into N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 multiplied by R upon 100. It's interest, and interest is equal to 2500 into 24 multiplied by 24 plus 1 is 25 divided by 2 into 12 into R upon 100. Interest is equal to 0 is cancelled, 12 2s are 24, and 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 25 into 25, that is equal to 625 R. Interest equal to 625 R. Maturity is equal to 67,500. That maturity equal to P into N plus I, and P into N means 2500 into 24 that is equal to 60,000. 2500 into 24 is 60,000 plus 625 are equal to 67,500. Shifting right side, that will be negative, and we are subtracting 67,500 and 60,000, we get 7,500 rupees. And rate of interest is equal to 625 are equal to 7,500 are equal to 7,500 upon 65, we get 12. Rate of interest is 12%, and total interest earned by Mr. Gupta is 7,500, and we can write it as P into R into T upon 100. 2,500 is P, rate of interest is 12%, and time is 2 years. We get 7,500 rupees. Total interest earned by Mr. Gupta, and rate of interest we get 12%. Answer. Thank you so much.